Good morning. Good morning. Today we are going to see about business environmental concepts. Uh, this is another one subject we are going to discuss here. First of all, what are the characteristics of business environment? The first one is totality of external forces and specific and general forces, interrelatedness and dynamic nature, uncertainty and complexity and relativity. The totality of external forces, because the business environment will be covered both internal as well as external aspects அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். And the second thing is the specific and general forces, because it will be specific for business oriented aspects. What are the various external forces and internal forces which will be influenced in a business environment. And another thing is interrelatedness, because there are so many factors which will be interrelated one another for their business operations. And fourth characteristics, it is the dynamic in nature, because there are so many changes happen in the day business itself. Whatever changes adopted, that change is going to be updated in this business related aspects of it. And the uncertainty, some aspects may not be constant, it will be changing as per the nature, as per the characteristics of our business. And complexity is another one important characteristics of business, which is most useful for a business concern. Like complexity, it will total forces may be influenced in a business, so that's why it is a complexity. And another one is relativity. So each and every forces which will be related to different aspects. So these are all various characteristics of business environment. And next we are going to see about different types of business environment. The types of business environment can be classified into two types. One is internal environment and the other one is external environment. So internal environment, it is within the business concern, what are the various forces which will be affect the business. That is internal environment. The external environment, that will be classified into two types. One is micro environment and the other one is macro environment. So internal environments can be divided into various aspects. That is financial resources, then physical and human resources, and chapterization of business, and work environment, and cooperation of images, labor management, and relatingness, technological capabilities. These are all various aspects which will be covered in this internal environment. External forces, that is micro and macro environmental aspects are available. In this, then next we are going to see about what are the various objectives of business environment. Objectives means there are economic objectives are there, and social objectives are there, and human objectives are there, and national objectives are there. So these are all various objectives of business environment. Then the economic environment. Economic environment refers to all those economic forces which have bearing on the functioning of a business. It also depends on the economic environment to sell the finished goods naturally and dependence of business on the economic environment. The total, and it's not surprising because rigidity is set. Okay, so what is economic system? In our country, economic system is a mechanism which deals with the production, distribution, consumption of goods and services in a particular society and comprises of people, institutions and their relationship. They addresses problems like allocation of scarcity of resources. So these are all things we are facing in the economic system. What is economic planning? Economic planning is to make decisions which respect to the use of resources and to in microeconomic decisions include what goods and services to produce, the qualities of produce, and the price to change, and the wages to pay. So these are all aspects which will be covered in this microeconomic decisions. And macroeconomic decisions include the rate of investment and extent foreign trade. So that is economic planning. And privatization is the process of transferring ownership of a business, enterprise, agency, and public service, public property from the public sector to private sector. The business that operates for profit or non-profit organizations. What are the objectives of privatization? That to improve the operational efficiency of public enterprises, to develop competitive efficiency in the industries, to generate resources for all deficit budgets, for the globalization of domestic industries, to invite foreign capital, to earn profit currency through export promotions, to exploit the natural resources of the country with efficiency, to emerge wide public ownership and economic resources of a country, to create an environment rapid industrialization. Then, so these are all various objectives of privatization. What is political environment? The political environment include all laws, government agencies, and lapping groups that influence in the restrict individuals or organizations in the society. The political institutions, there are three types of institutions are available in a political